Maintaining your tractor. Essential tips for longevity. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that's crucial for anyone involved in agriculture or who owns a tractor. How to maintain your tractor. Understanding this can not only help you keep your machinery in top condition but also ensure it serves you for years to come. So, let's get started and explore some essential maintenance tips. When we say, maintain the tractor, we're talking about the regular checkups and procedures required to keep your tractor running efficiently. This includes a variety of tasks, from simple cleaning to more complex engine checks. Maintenance is key to preventing breakdowns and ensuring the longevity of your tractor. It's like taking care of your health to avoid getting sick. Every day before you start your tractor, there are a few things you should check to ensure it's in good working condition. Engine oil level. Make sure it's not too low to prevent engine damage. Coolant level. This helps keep the engine from overheating. Tire pressure. Properly inflated tires ensure better performance and fuel efficiency. Brake functionality. Ensure your brakes are responsive to avoid accidents. Apart from daily checks, there are tasks you should perform on a more periodic basis. Change the oil regularly. This keeps the engine running smoothly. Check and replace air filters. Clean air filters improve engine performance and longevity. Lubricate moving parts. Regular lubrication reduces wear and tear on moving components. Inspect and maintain the hydraulic system. This is crucial for the tractor's operational efficiency. Even with regular maintenance, tractors can run into problems. Here are a few common issues and how to address them. Overheating. Ensure the coolant levels are adequate and the radiator is clean. Difficulty starting. Check the battery and electrical connections for any issues. Loss of power. This could be due to dirty air filters or fuel system issues. Regular checks can help prevent these problems. Maintaining your tractor is not just about preventing breakdowns. It's about ensuring it can perform its best for as long as possible. By following these tips, you can extend the life of your tractor and make the most out of your investment. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident in taking care of your machinery. Until next time, happy farming, and take care. Remember, regular maintenance is the key to a healthy, long-lasting tractor. Don't hesitate to consult your tractor's manual or a professional if you're unsure about any procedures. Stay safe and maintain your tractor well.